Hey there, this is Jesse with Found My Wings. I wanted to run through another part that we got for the Scion FRS today. So, to put it simply, this is the Subaru BRZ trunk liner. So the reason that we're getting this, and we spent money on this, and that we're going to install this, is that when I was younger, I decided to put some stickers on the inside of my trunk. Stuff that I don't necessarily want to see anymore. You can easily take these off with some Goo Gone and some other things to just get rid of the stickers. But ultimately, I just want to put a trunk liner in it. I want to have a little bit better sound baffling. As you can see here, we have a lot of oil. We live in Canada, so everything's oiled or it disintegrates over time. And you can see our TRD Aero stabilizing cover sticking through here a little bit. So really, it's just a extra little Subaru premium part that I think will make the car look a little bit better, maybe dampen sound a little bit. I keep my seats down to make the car louder, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I want heat and noise to always be coming through this trunk here. So not really a huge benefit to the car at the end of the day, but I liked it. I liked it every time I saw it on a BRZ. So you can pick these up from a Subaru dealer. You can get it from FT86 Speed Factory. You can get it from a local dealer. Shout out to subiland.ca for helping me out here because I had some issues getting it to Canada without big import charges. So I believe this cost me around $80. Now, it's a good quality. I had considered doing this DIY myself, but some of the quality here is just, it's got rigidity. It's a real Subaru part, and it feels good. I actually did mock this up and realized I had to break it, so this is already broken. When you get it, it just comes very flat, but you just have to bend along these lines here that you can see are actually in the plastic, so you're not breaking anything necessarily, but you do brake bend it. Just for these couple little lines here. As you can see, this does take 7 panel clips. These are 8mm. These are not Subaru. These I had to get a kit. There was actually a couple missing from the package. So I just grabbed a cheap kit off of Amazon since I needed some of these for something else. Anyway, you need 7 of them, 8mm, however you get them. Hopefully they come with it when you order them. If you get it through Subaru, you should be good. So not really much to talk about here. Good quality. It's about 80 bucks Canadian, 7 clips. Let's install it and see what it looks like. Okay, the easiest way to install this is come around back here, get all of your clips ready, all 7 of them. You want to brake bend both of these so it's already flexed into the right shape. You don't have to like bend it over too much, just break them so they're bent a little bit. We're going to take 2 of these clips. We're just going to set it in the bottom 2 holes. And we are going to simply set this up here. Get everything aligned. And pop our clips in. And then we go through all the rest. So this really just clips, nothing fancy. Not really too many of these videos on YouTube, so I figured I'd talk through it in case you're curious or want to add this to your BRZ, FRS, or 86. And so once you have all these on, you can line them up if you want, just to make it look a little bit prettier. So they're all sitting the right way. But that's about it. So that's what it looks like installed. Again, this will work on any of the 2012 to 2020 FRS, BRZ, or Toyota 86s. So it's a simple little addition here. I think it just adds a little bit of refinement to the car. Of course, car's a little dirty right now. It's got just oil in it, so this is about as clean as it ever gets. It looks a little bit nicer. In Canada, I do keep my seat down, so it helps a little bit with temperature insulation, so you don't get as much heat escaping through here. It helps a little bit with noise insulation to just calm down the noise, and it just looks a little bit nicer. They put this on the BRZ Premiums mainly, so I have actually had this on. Sounds good. There's not really a notable difference, but if you're interested in it, it's a cheap, good addition. So that's really all, folks. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop it in the comments. Appreciate any likes or subscriptions. So I hope everybody's happy and healthy out there. Come back and check out more. We have a couple more like this Fujitsubo bumper hole cover and talking a little bit more about this SuperTrapp muffler, which is a rare 90s and early 2000s muffler on the car. All kinds of stuff already on the channel and more coming.